many happy returns of the day. তুমি প্রি-টিন হয়ে গেছো, এখন 11 হয়ে গেছো, এখন একটুখানি তোমাকে রেসপন্সিবল হতে হবে লাইফে। বাট টুডে ইজ ইয়োর বার্থডে, এই জন্য তোমাকে আমি কোনো গাইডলাইন্স দেবো না, তোমাকে কিচ্ছু দেবো না। আই ওনলি ওয়ান্ট টু টেল ইউ দ্যাট it's I think the best part of my life to be your mom. I think that's my most favorite role, occupation of all time. And every day I am also learning with you. So it's not like I know everything about being a mommy. I'm learning every day and you give me that opportunity. So thank you for being my best friend, thank you for being my confidant, thank you for being always there for me, thank you for always appreciating the little things, thank you for being you. I think you're growing up into an amazing little woman, and you have all the good qualities to become greater as with each passing year. So on your 11th birthday, all I wish for you and my only prayer to God is to make you a more kinder, gentler, happier, positive, healthier and smarter kid as you go along. So keep slaying, Mahi. I love you. Mama loves you so much. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy birthday, Mahu. 2009, evening 4:30 p.m. First, I became a grandma. What a amazing day that was. Today, 2020, again 10th November. Now Mahu is my 11 years old. Last 11 years, there are so many incidents in your life, my life, our family life. Everybody, sometimes we enjoy, everybody, sometimes we crying together, sometimes we eat so much things, sometimes we moving around. Everything is enjoyable. When I was তোমাকে ছেড়ে যখন আমি আর থাকতে পারি না, এখন আমি আর ইংলিশ বলতে পারছি না, কারণ যখন ইমোশন আসে তখন আর আমি ইংলিশ বলতে পারি না, বেঙ্গলি ইংলিশ বলতে পারে না। তুমি আমার সোনা, তুমি তো জানো, তুমি তো এখন অনেক ভালো বাংলা বলতে পারো, বাংলা বুঝতে পারো। তুমি আমার সোনা, তুমি আমার একটাই গ্র্যান্ড ডটার আর আমার 2 গ্র্যান্ডসন আছে। I am happiest person, বাবু, সব থেকে হ্যাপি ছবি মুখার্জি in the whole world. Happy birthday আমার সোনা, happy birthday, happy long life, happy great life, happy stoneless life, happy smiley, healthy, smoothie, beautiful life in our Mahu.
Happy birthday, happy quarantine birthday. I love you because you're funny, you're feisty, you are crazy, you are cuddly, and you're our eldest baby. I love you and I miss you. I'm going to see you very soon with lots of pizzas and KFC chicken.
Hi Mahi, wish you a very happy birthday beta. May God bless you with lots and lots of happiness. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey Mahi,
হ্যাপি বার্থডে মাহি সোনা,
have a long life.
হ্যাভি লং লং লাইফ, অনেক বড় হও তুমি, অনেক সুন্দর করে
আমরা
কাটাও সব
আমরা
কিছু।
আমরা নেক্সট উইকে সেলিব্রেট করব।
হ্যাঁ, আমরা পরের সপ্তাহে যাব, গিয়ে
হ্যাপি
সেলিব্রেট করব।
বার্থডে।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে।
Happy birthday, Mahi Sona.
Happy birthday, Mahi Didi.
Happy birthday, Mahi.
Sorry, Mahi, for so much fight.
Happiest birthday, Mahu. It's a true blessing to have such a nice, caring, and loving baby sister. Love you.
Hi Mahi, happy birthday to you. Have the best birthday ever, kind of. I know it's 2020, but I'm sure you'll find a way. Have lots of fun, play with your cousins, play with your mama, trouble them a lot, jump around as much as you want. And I wish you the very best in the future. I hope you get lots of gifts. I hope you send me my gift also from your birthday. Just my gift, not return gift. Like I'm supposed to get a gift because it's your birthday, right? And here's Coco, as dirty as always, and happy and shocked at what's happening to her. So it's happy birthday from her also. And have lots of fun, lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mahi Didi. Happy birthday to you. Bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mahu. Happy birthday to you. Many brothers to you.
Hi, Mahi.
Many brothers
Happy birthday.
to you. Many brothers to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy healthy life
Ow.
to you. Happy healthy life to you. Happy healthy life to you. Be a singer, dancer, artist, whatever you want to do. Love you. God bless you, baby girl. We will be giving you counsel from time to time in terms of what kind of stories work in the media. The other thing is we will also be able to give you certain campaign ideas where we feel that community initiatives should be done in order to create more engagement. But execution, of course, depends on the time. But campaign ideas can be given from time to time as well. And some of these campaigns have a lot of PR